Hey guys, welcome to the next tutorial of ethical hacking and penetration testing via Kali Linux. So in the previous tutorials I taught you about gaining into a system, access into a system and maintaining it. Now in this tutorial, after we have gained access and maintained it, I need to make sure that even if I reboot I still have access to the system, and what all things I can go ahead and modify, and how can I go ahead and get the hash passwords of anything that I want over there. So this tutorial will be all about that. So let's go ahead and first again let me start the SE toolkit. Just gonna quickly start my access. And 443, using the same one, and yes, and by that time I'll just go ahead and copy my payload over here. This is the old one. Just go ahead and copy it to over here. Let's see if the access is established. Perfect. And now I'll quickly go ahead and gain access to its system so that I will be able to show you what all things I will be able to do. So just quickly type yes v and yes, I have only 3 privileges. Okay, and run post windows gather square press background. So what it is exactly doing, I did not explain this in previous tutorial. It is searching all the exploits and payloads that has UAC inside that can go ahead and bypass user account control. So I'll go ahead and use this exploit. And tell host and what was the IP address? I don't know why I did that. 216.8.236.130. Port would be 8888. I'll just use 2345. Okay, set should be small. Perfect. Set shin1 and perfect. Let's see. Bypass successful. Interpreter session 2 started. Perfect. Now after I have gathered all of these things, the next thing that I want to do, okay, first I'll just go ahead and migrate. So I'll just check so that for any other reason I don't want, if the Windows Defender somehow goes ahead and find out, I'll still need to go ahead and merge it to Explorer. So it's 2152. So I'll just type migrate 2152. That is for the Explorer. Perfect. Now I want to go ahead and gather the password for my Windows 7. So, and the password is stored in a secure accounts manager SAM database, and it is stored in a hash format. So what I need to do is I need to go ahead and decrypt that and gain access to that. So the thing I would like to do is I like to go ahead and run post Windows gather and hash dump. So it will gather all the hashes for our own John the Ripper. So we would be using JDR, that's John the Ripper, to go ahead and crack this specific thing. So okay, this could be the system user. I need to go ahead and I did not go ahead and get into system. Okay, let me check. It's showing that I am not the system. I think I need to go ahead and run that again. I was thrown out since I did not use the get system quickly. So I'll just go ahead and set host, set L port 2346. I'll just type 2456. And I'll use okay, there are already multiple request handling. Yep. I'll just go ahead and cancel this and run all of these once more. I'll just go ahead and delete this payload. As I told you previously that you need to be quick in getting into system, else you will be thrown out. That's what happened with me right now. So I'll use a different port, or I'll use the same one, 443. Yes, I'll just go ahead and start the listener. Okay. So is it started? Perfect. I'll just perfect. So I'll just go ahead and get access to the system again. Okay, I think I made some mistake. Run, display, no, post, Windows. Okay, now I'll just go ahead and background, exploit the Windows, local, CVC. Reverse TCP. Just do it quickly. no, sorry, not our host, it's, and the new port would be say 8888, and and just go ahead and gain access into the system. Okay, so I'm system right now, so I'll just go ahead and run the database. Perfect. Perfect. So previously I was not the system, that's why I did not run. Now as you can see, it's obtaining the boot key, and I have. So this is the username, and this is the password for the default administrator, for the guest, and for the test user. So now what I need to do is go ahead and crack this hash password. This is how it is kept in normally, but the John the Ripper, that is, as you can see, we have the John the Ripper over here. This is a very famous brute force cracking tool. I would be going ahead and using this to go ahead and crack our hash database and get my password back. But that is it for this tutorial. I'll be showing that how to go we can go ahead and crack using the John the Ripper in next tutorial.